this is Kane.
Hey guys.
From Car Swap. It's a bit of a big name. So right now we're in the deep south in South Australia in the Coorong, bouncing around in the Ford Ranger, and we've got a bunch of Fords, 3 Rangers and an Everest, which is a Ranger with a back on it.
Yeah.
So.
And we're at the 42-mile crossing.
Yep. There you go.
We're going to go a bit of a shortcut way through the inland.
Not sitting in the rut. Because your girth is so big, Dan. Love my girth.
Welcome to the Being Bogged channel. I'm your main star. I've actually never been bogged.
It was the first time for everything, isn't it?
This is the joys of not having to do it. Thanks guys.
Tom's coming to rescue you.
Well, it wouldn't be much help. I'd get out of the wheelchair and just get bogged.
Tell Tom to yank that. Yeah. Go Tom, go. Yeah, you ready? Yeah, yeah. Give me the stick. Yeah, you can there, you can there. Stop, Tom.
So turn your wheels that way a bit and then you can go.
You alright?
Keep going, keep going.
Keep going.
Yep, you're alright.
The Tyrannosaurus Rex.
So actually the world's loudest snorkel.
Yeah, literally.
Your snorkel really sucks, man.
Nah, I love it.
No, I mean it actually sucks. Like sucks. Like vacuum sucks.
I didn't actually get it at first, but now I get it.
Got so lost there for a second. Dan, where are you? Just don't go down the normal, like, middle ones, obviously.
Look at the wheel work, it should be in Formula Drift.
Yeah. Got a bit of airborne then.
This car never gets airborne. Oh, hang on.
Then...
Now I know why I saw the Maserati. You can't do this shit in the Maserati. Yeah.
Easy living. No, I didn't actually see it. I didn't go up
right next to it.
Yeah, I didn't.
Thompson Custom Imports. Do something awkward.
You like me?
Here's an example of what not to do. All you need to do is just like dig that whole embankment out and you're fine.
That's what he said.
Yeah, if you can just bring in an excavator.
Hey, I got a ticket for them, but it's at work.
You'll get a crack violation. Yeah.
He'll be right, mate. Bit of plastic.
So he decided to dig it out.
Oh, get out of my bum crack.
You're going to do that all night, dude. But it's good because this torch is fully charged. Yeah, mine's not.
We got some
That's
epic
plenty of
Snapchat
thanks,
commentary
Contra
going
Pro.
on here.
No plug intended.
Row your boat. Gently down the
in the wrong spot.
Oh, bloody hell! Have you just, oh, you probably get tipped there.
What are you gonna like put Christina under the tyre to use her as traction? Like,
Just put it on there.
What happened here? You got yourself in a bit of a mischief.
Alright, I reckon chair right here, Tom.
Yeah, I want the front VIP view.
Oh wait, stand maybe?
Yeah, no, you
No,
might
no,
get
should be right. I want splash load, splash load.
Splash zone.
the nosebleed section.
No, that's it.
Yeah, maybe front end.
So we've got the incredibly bogged Mitsubishi Triton here. It looks like a brand new car. The lunatic behind the wheel. And the Ranger Raptor here. And I just ran up the hill, so I'm puffed out. Did you have it in four-wheel drive?
Yeah, it's nice.
What's he got in his tyres, like 40 pounds? Yeah! Oh. You might want to tug it. You go, you start going now, yeah. Right, go.
Way back, yeah.
Good tug. Let's bend that chassis.
Yeah, break that for me.
Go. Yeah. Careful.
Uh-oh.
What was the saying again?
It would be like Kane.
The bump stops it for it.